Hey y'all, welcome back to T4 Outdoors. We're out on the river again this morning. It's another gloomy day, but if you watch our videos, the last gloomy day was all right for us. We're back in the spot that we fished before. We're gonna try it for a few minutes and see what happens, and then if that doesn't work out, we got a couple more spots we're gonna hit just to give them a try today. We got some good fresh shad for bait. We're gonna give that a try today, so y'all just stick with us and we'll see what happens. I'm gonna try to spread these rods out over we got off of another tributary here. Seems like kind of a flat over here, and it's a pretty deep, steep drop off right here, a channel ledge, or I really don't know what you'd call it, but we're gonna put our baits out there. It's about 55 feet deep, I believe. We just give it a good spread out there. Looks like we got a little more current today than we had the other day. Let's just see what we can. The wind's supposed to pick up today and blow 12 to 15 miles an hour. I don't know how long we'll be able to stay in this spot. We may have to go look for some places where the wind ain't blowing quite so hard. But I guess that also depends on whether or not the fish are biting in this spot. If they are, we'll fight the wind. It's a good bit more current out there today than it was the other day. That may play into our favor. I don't know. We'll see. Nothing like slinging your bait off. The river's up about a foot, maybe a foot and a half, it seems, from where it was the other day. A couple days ago. We'll probably give this spot about 45 minutes, unless we really start catching. I don't know, we'll see. Oh, there we go. You want to reel it in? That fish is pulling good. That's a good feeling fish. I don't know if that's just coming up that bank. He definitely was pulling hard. We'd love to catch a 40. Be nice, wouldn't it? That fish is pulling hard. Ooh. That's a good fish. Probably at least 3 pounds. Broke the line, pulled off. It really does. That was a good fish. It almost felt like he was pulling on cover, like he was pulling in a tree or something. I don't know. That pole just got a little nibble. That ain't how you like to start it. It ain't how we like to start it at all, but that's how it started. Let's get us another bait out. That's all we can do, just get another bait out, see what happens. We was probably gonna release him anyway, but I still would have liked to have seen it. That was a good fish. We marked some pretty good fish out there on the fish finder when we was coming up. Like I said, I wish we could have saw him. Hate it when they pull off. I hate it so much.
That's not where that goes.
Boy, boy, boy. Shoot. I was afraid that fish, he was fighting funny. I don't know what was going on there. He was slipping the drag on that old chaos. Well, this spot didn't really pan out like we had hoped. We had one fish on and a couple of bites. Probably spent more time here than we should have, but I guess that's what hope will do for you. We're gonna pull everything in and see if we can go to somewhere else. See if we can find some fish that are hungry and want to eat. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Spot number 2. We done a pretty good bit of idling and graphing and didn't really see what we thought we'd see. This is a spot right in the mouth of this river. It was deep, 65, 68 feet deep, and we marked some pretty good fish in the middle of that channel. Thought we'd just give it a few minutes and see what we could come up with here. Y'all just hang around, we'll maybe catch something. It's a good one. That sucker's fighting like crazy. I don't know what it is. Maybe this one will stay on. Goodness gracious. No, not a big fish, just a decent fish. Good old skunk buster though. Big pretty female. I'm just glad to have a fish in the boat. Just glad to have a fish in the boat. Pretty blue cat, really pretty blue cat. I'm gonna say about 12, probably 12. Man, do you see them pliers right there in that? No? Oh man, I know where they're at. They're in the beach bag from when we went to Rutherford. Yep. Shoot. I hope not. Yeah. That fish is just a hair over 12 pounds. 12 and a half pounds according to that. Feisty fish. Feisty fish. Let you go back. I don't feel like cleaning fish today. Adios, amigo. She gone. I sure ain't mad about that one. Sure ain't mad about that one.
Oh, you get it. Get it. No, you do. You get it.
Are you sure?
Yep, I'm sure.
Well, that's not very much fun. That current, it pulled it up. That's a decent fish. It's almost like it's foul hooked. No, it's hooked in the mouth. I couldn't agree more. It's a pretty good fish. Better than I thought. Honestly, that's a good fish. That's better fish than I was thinking. is a nice one. That fish right there should be pushing 20. Shoot, yeah. Looks like he gathered him up a little air. Oh, I gotta get them pliers back in here. I just thought that he wasn't hooked good. He was hooked really good. Whew. Just a little over 15. Little over 15. We're gonna burp him just in case. I think he's got a little air. Fella here seems like he's got a little air. We're gonna burp him. Just make sure. There he went. Had a little air in there. Deflated him. That belly's all nice and loose now. He'll swim away all right. That's a long fish. Pretty long fish. Definitely take that one. All right. There you go. If that don't fix it, I may wind up taking it to somebody to look at it. Oh, there you go, baby. Go. He pulling a little bit. First fish on the new Mad Cat on the Valentine's Day pole. Man, that dude's he's pulling, ain't he?
He is. I hope we don't get in this other one.
It don't matter if we do, we'll untangle it. That's a good one.
It's grand, but
Oh, he's hooked in the side.
is it?
Yep, he's
I think it might be tangled up.
I think he's tangled. I think he tangled. Where are you bringing him to?
I don't know. You can get him at the back of the boat or not?
Let's pull him around the side.
Lord, I don't know what we got going.
That's that double hook jig, I think.
We're gonna cut
Oh,
his tail off.
he is wrapped up like a who'd have thought it.
Twisted it around.
He did. Get up in here, boy. Ooh, mama done got us another one. Look at that. You can't go far. Oh. Hey, barge bites a thing. Go get it, babe. All right. Yeah, baby. Now we know. Feel like a good one? Possibly.
I don't think.
That last one? Watch it be 27 pounds.
Yeah, I don't think it is. I think it's small. Or unless it could just be swimming straight to us.
It was swimming to you. He ain't too small.
Oh, no.
Let's get him on this side. Good old kitty cat. There's a good one. Let me get this net.
Got it.
Hold some tightness on that so it don't tangle up like
Okay.
it last one did. Pretty little old kitty cat.
Oh, don't hit me.
That there be number 4 for the day.
This way.
Let's see.
No.
About 13 pounds. Yep. They are all just kind of
Pretty.
like cookie cutters. They good fish. I'm gonna burp him just in case. Just in case. And he may be fine. Let's see. Lay down there, buddy. Lay down there. He had a little air, not too much. All we got, when you pull them fish up out of deep water like that, their air bladders overinflate. So we just took this piece of PEX pipe, drilled some little holes in the end of it, smoothed it up good, and you just ease it in their throat until you hear that air release, and they'll swim right off. If you don't burp them like that, they'll just float around on top of the water, and I guess they'll eventually die. I don't know. So just a little short piece of PEX pipe. Oh, oh. It really is. I don't know. They all feel good to me. Ooh, that is a good fish. But I am dragging him backwards, so. That's a good fish. That might be the biggest one of the day. We about to find out. I think.
It did the same thing.
Yeah, I think. Yeah. I think we'd lost that fish. The hook come out of his mouth.
Really?
Ah. Yep. I don't think it's still in his mouth. That's a big fish. That's a big fish. I didn't realize he was quite that good. Hello. Hello. Hello, buddy. Hold up, hold up. Hold up. My goodness. Yeah, we got lucky. He actually broke that hook. And it just so happened that that one hooked him in the back. We lost him. That's a good one. Oh. Oh. That fish is right at 28 pounds. Let's get the give me the digital scale. I don't want to guess on this one. I think we got a fish on that pole. Mm. 26 pounds. It's 25.10. 25.10. It is nice. Yeah, I'm gonna have to, ain't I? Always the old mean thing. That old thing's mean. Let me see if I can get some of that air out of him. Make sure he ain't got no air in him. Come on now. Open that mouth up. Come on, open your mouth. All right now. Come on. Son, that dude's like a bulldog. No air. I pulled him up pretty slow though, I think. All right, buddy. Here you go. Why you gotta do that when you get in that water, huh? Appreciate that, buddy. Sure do. I think we're gonna call it. That wind has picked up like they said it was going to. All in all, we've had a pretty good day. Unexpectedly good day. We wound up catching 5 fish. Smallest was 12-ish pounds. The biggest was right at 26 pounds. I don't think it's too bad for wintertime catfishing. We're gonna pick our stuff up and we're gonna head home. We'll catch y'all next time.